Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Blessing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Now this video I'm going to be talking about 4 settings you are going to do on your YouTube Studio app that is going to make your channel to blow up, that is going to put your channel on the spotlight. It's going to make your engagement go higher, your views go higher, and your subscribers to go higher. These settings are very important and are very essential to your channel, because if you don't turn on or turn off these settings, you are going to be delaying, you are going to be having setback in your channel, and we don't want that. So I'm here to guide you. So let's go to the YouTube Studio setting and let's dive into this video. Now the first setting here on your YouTube Studio, you are going to go to channel customization. This is where you are going to see a small pencil icon. Now click on that pencil icon. You are going to see channel customization. You are going to see your profile. This is your profile here. That is where you edit your channel banner and your profile picture, and then everything about your channel and the description of your channel and what your channel is all about. Please, this place you are going to input everything your channel is all about, all the keywords that your channel uses. If you are into vlogging, traveling, lifestyle, please put in all those keywords into your channel intro. That is what talks about what your channel is all about. You're going to go to home tab, then you see layout. So you are going to see this icon called add selection. Adding selection to this is, this adding selection means that anybody that visits your channel, these are the first things they are going to see. Any of these items you pick here are the first thing they are going to see when they visit your channel. Either is your subscribers or upcoming subscriber or intended subscriber. Anybody that click on your channel for the first time, or they are coming back to your channel, these are the first things that they are going to see. Anyone you click on is what they are going to be able to see. Now if you click on spotlight for returning subscribers, you are going to input a video on what they should watch, on what you would like them to watch. Now if you click on for you page, you are going to input a video of what you want your for you page audience to watch. And if you click on videos, it's just going to show you all the videos that you've ever created on your channel. It's going to show the person all the videos you've ever created on your channel. And if you click on popular videos, it's going to filter all the videos that were not popular, that did not make it more than 1,000 views or so. It's just going to click a video that was most watched by your subscribers, or by that was most watched. This is going to filter the video to the top. Your most watched videos is going to filter it to the top. That is what this section is. So any of this section you select is going to make your intending subscribers to want to watch any of your video and want to subscribe to your channel. So it's going to give you more visibility and more engagement. Now to go to setting number 2, which is the setting itself, the channel setting in general. When you click on this, you are going to click on channel. Now we are going to click on advanced setting on that channel. Now there is a setting here that is saying disable interest-based ads. This is for people that are intending to monetize their channel in future or are already monetized. If you select this option, personalized ads will not be shown on videos on your channel, such as ad based on viewers' interest or remarking ads. The viewers' interest based ads are not going to be shown on your channel. Why? Please, I want to know why you don't want your viewers to watch ads. If you enable this, you are telling YouTube that you don't want your viewers to watch ad, they should just be watching your video. No, 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 we are here to make money. We are all here to make money. If I'm not here to make money, me, I'm here to make money. So you need to turn this on. You need to uncheck this so that your viewers can watch ad in between your videos. They can watch the ads that are interesting to them. It will show on your video, and this will increase your revenue, because if you enable this, this is going to significantly reduce your channel revenue, and is going to, you can see here, in addition, end action report and remarketing list will stop working for your channel. That means nobody is going to pay for ads for your channel. We don't want this. This is not what we want. No, this is not why we are here. thing you are going to uncheck, or you are going to check under this place is allow viewers to click my content. Are you going to check or uncheck it? You are going to check it. Yes, you are going to click on it. We are going to enable this because you are going to allow your viewers to clip your content and be able to repost it. When they clip your content, they are able to repost it or do any video on your content. It's giving you more visibility and more engagement. There's nothing wrong with this. So you are going to check this. You are going to enable this feature. Now we're going to setting number 3. Let's go. We're going to go to upload default under this setting. Yes, upload default. And you are under upload default, you will see advanced setting. This setting, you are going to see automatic chapters. You notice that whenever you are watching any creator's videos, if you are watching my video, go down, click on my video details and go down. You are going to see chapters that you are going to see transcripts and chapters that YouTube has already created for me. Everything I am saying now is embedded in that chapter. I'm going to engage viewers that cannot hear properly, so they'll be able to read those chapters and understand whatever you are saying on your videos. That's people that are not hearing properly. So this is going to increase your views. If you don't enable this, YouTube is not going to put any chapters on your video. There are different English now, so many people cannot really understand each other. So many people want to read these chapters to understand what you are saying on your video. So you need to check this so that you can get more engagement on your videos and more views on your video. Now the fourth setting here is to go to your channel analytics. Yes, we are going to go there now, and we are going to get ideas for our next video. Yes, if in case you are rumbling about thinking of what to post and everything, you are posting for your audience and not posting for yourself. YouTube has given you these ideas for your next video on trends. Click on that trend. YouTube is trying to tell you that these are the videos that your viewers want to watch according to your niche, according to what you have put there before. They have accumulated this data because of the videos you have put on the videos you have done on your channel. So these are the next big thing that your viewers want to watch. And if you make videos on this, you are going to really get a lot of views because the you are trying to feed your subscribers. You are not doing videos for yourself, you are doing videos for your subscriber, you are doing videos for your audience. And if you are meeting your target audience needs, you are going to get visibility. And that's all for this setting, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to this channel, please and please again, I'm going to say it 1,000 times, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.